Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to empty hidden trash on your Android phone. Now, let's first just open up the Photos app on your Android phone. You'd be surprised how many places there is trash that you could free up some space on your phone. The first one is in Google Photos. You can see I'm in just Photos, but I'm going to tap on Collections. Now, at the very top right is trash. Let's just choose that, and you'll be able to see all of the photos and videos that are in your trash. Let's go through the process of deleting these, in addition to lots of other places where you'll find deleted or trashed items. So I'm going to tap on Select, and let's just hit Delete All and Delete. So we've done that in Google Photos, helped to free up lots of space. But there are other places that have deleted files that aren't fully removed from your phone. So let's open up the Messages app next. Now you'd be surprised, in the Messages app, you could have tons of messages that aren't actually deleted from the app. So let's tap on your profile at the very top right. And now from here, you won't see anything about deleted messages. When you do delete a message, it is fully gone from here, but I can tap on Archived here, and you'll be able to see all of these archived messages on here. So unfortunately, there's no quick and easy way to choose all of them besides just taking your fingers and dragging down, but we can select them and hit Trash and Delete, just so that we have cleaned up all of those archived messages if you don't need them. The next place I would recommend looking before we get into the files is within the Mail. So let's open up your Gmail app here, and at the top left, let's tap on the three lines and then just go to Trash. You'll be able to see all of the deleted emails on your phone here. All you need to do is hit Empty Trash Now, and then just hit the Empty button to help free up some space, and we'll delete out all of those old emails. Now, we've gone through several different apps. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to get into the Files app. So swipe up and we'll navigate to the Files app. But first, if this helps you so far, hit that subscribe button down below and leave a like. It really helps me out. Just takes you a couple of seconds, and it really helps me be able to make these videos. Thanks, guys. Now, after you swipe up to get to the app drawer, we're going to tap on the search bar, and we're going to search for Files. And you can see Files here. You're going to look for specifically Google Files. Keep in mind, if you have a Samsung phone, you might have the My Files app, and you can always go in there, but I would recommend the Google app. It's a little bit better. So just open up the Google Files app. Now on here, it'll show you your downloads, videos, all of that. Now, if you wanted to get into any of these, you can just tap on your downloads and you can choose some of them or all of them, and you can hit the delete and move to trash. So you can go through the process of freeing up space just by going through downloads and apps and audio, etc. However, let's empty the trash within the Files app on your Android phone. So at the top left there is those three lines. There you can see them. Just tap on those three lines, and there is trash. You can see 800 megabytes worth of trash. On here, I'm going to go through the process of, let's say, just got it, of deleting all of them. So I'm going to choose all items and then just hit delete. And then I'm going to permanently delete all of those, helping to free up tons of space on my phone. But that is not the last place that I would recommend looking, because there's another place that has deleted files or trashed files. So let's swipe up from here and go to your settings. Now, within your settings, all we need to do is scroll down, and you're looking for the option that says Device Care, including storage. So just tap on that. And there you can see storage, and it'll show you how much is available and how much is used. Let's just tap on that. And similar to the Files app, you can go into audio files and images, etc., and just go through and delete those if you wanted to. However, if we scroll down from here, let's tap on Trash, and you'll be able to see this still has deleted items within here, including other ones like Voice Recorder app or various other apps that you might not have thought about. On any of these, we can go in here, and if we don't want that anymore, I can just choose those by tapping and holding and hitting delete. And now let's go back out of here and go to My Files. There's yet another one. Even though we delete them all from the files, let's press and hold on here and hit delete all and delete. Now going through that process, you have deleted up tons of trashed or deleted files, and you should be able to see that your storage has helped to free up some space to download new apps, photos, videos, etc. I hope this helps. If it did, again, hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys.